Welcome to Chef Crown, where you'll learn the best tricks and tips. Today, we'll delve into
Cleaning a non-stick frying pan seems easy, right? But if you're making these common mistakes, you could ruin the coating. Don't worry. I'll show you how to clean it the right way to keep it looking like new. Here's where most people go wrong. Using metal scrubbers or harsh cleaners that scratch the surface. Washing the pan while it's still hot, which can warp it. Letting greasy residue build up over time. These mistakes ruin your pan and make food stick. But don't worry, here's how to clean it properly. First, let the pan cool completely before cleaning it. Washing a hot pan can warp the material and weaken the non-stick coating. Next, fill the sink with warm water and add a drop of mild dish soap. Use a soft sponge or dishcloth to clean the pan gently. Skip the abrasive scrubbers. They'll scratch the coating. Now, before the third step, quick reminder! If you're enjoying these tips, grab our free Chef's Knife Guide, 20 famous chefs and their must-have knives. It's packed with advice to elevate your cooking game. Get it now at chefcrown.com/knives. If there's food stuck to the pan, don't scrub. Instead, let the pan soak in soapy water for 15 to 20 minutes. The residue will loosen and you can wipe it away easily. Finally, rinse the pan under warm water to remove all soap. Then dry it completely with a soft towel to prevent water spots or damage. Want to keep your non-stick frying pan in great shape? Here are a few pro tips. Use wooden or silicone utensils to avoid scratches. Avoid aerosol cooking sprays. They leave a sticky residue that's hard to clean. Always store your pan carefully. Don't stack heavy pots on top of it. And that's it! Now you know how to clean a non-stick frying pan the right way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more kitchen tips, and comment below. What's your biggest kitchen cleaning struggle? See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Want more knife inspiration? Download your free guide, 20 famous chefs and their must-have knives, using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more sharp insights. See you next time.